Hey guys, what's up? I'm here and I'm in my bonnet, girl. I've been like this all week, all month, honey, in this bonnet, okay? But today I'm about to come up out this bonnet because I am tired of looking like who and why and what is she doing, okay? Like, come on now. You can't be in the bonnet all the time, all day. So what I'm going to be doing is displaying one of my custom units. This custom unit is made specifically for me. So I'm actually going to install it and show you guys how I install it. And also just kind of walk you through some easy peasy steps. I kind of created this video because I know that there are some essential workers out there that still want to look like something. You can't get to the salons because, you know, we're mandated closed. And, you know, you still want something that's easy. So I picked this custom wig. Babysitting for about 3-4 years. I started in Turning Point Church Nursery, which is just... I picked that unit because I wanted to be able to show something that's easy and low maintenance. So I am wearing my bonnet, and y'all, I'm about to take this bonnet off. Don't talk about me to your girlfriends like, no, she did it. Okay, because yes, I did. I told y'all I had twisties up under here, so baby, and I got grays and everything, honey. Look at that. Yeah. So, yes, I twisted my hair up because your girl cannot braid her own hair. And I am wearing the She's So Extra bonnet. I told you guys, my clients, y'all know I got these on deck if you need a bonnet, girl, okay? So, I told you guys I do not braid my own hair. It's very difficult for me to do it myself because I have carpal tunnel. However, I put it in these little twisties so it'll be easy for me to just fold it on back and throw my stocking cap on. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I couldn't find no rubber band, but I just pinned all my little twisties to the back. Y'all see this girl I'm working with? Just telling my true age, child. Anyway, so I got this stocking cap. I'm getting ready to put this on. So this is the makeup I'm using. It's by MAC. And see, by MAC. And it is the translucent powder. I'm just going to place that all across here. And I'm not going all back here. I'm just simply staying around these areas where I know my part is gonna be. Okay, and that's it. I sprayed this already with alcohol. So I'm just going along the lines of my, see, I got makeup all on here and everything. So I'm just going along my hairline because I'm getting ready to put some of this glue on, and I'm using Ghost Bond glue. This is the classic, and the reason why I'm using this is because I don't want a super hold. I just want just a minimum hold that's gonna get me through the day. Maybe I can wear it for a second day. I don't want anything extremely, you know, I don't want an extreme hold, so that's why I'm using Ghost Bond Classic. You can use any glue that you prefer to use. If you want to use Bold Hold Active, which is like a really good max hold, that holds for like weeks at a time, 1 to 2 weeks. You can also use Got To Be Glue. This is for daily wear. Like, it only lasts a few hours before you'll need to reapply it. So anyway, just showing you the hair that or the unit that I'm putting on. This is from my hairline Kainovi version hair. And this hair is, the texture is called Indian Deep Curly. So, with my unit, it is on a mesh dome cap. And this is how the cap looks. It's breathable and it's stretchy. So on my particular custom unit, because my way, my head, I left the dome cap completely on. This way, my cap will fit on my little head because my head is small, okay? Like, I have an apple for a head. I know for sure it's going to fit really well. I don't like combs in my wig. I don't like anything in my unit, because I like to be able to snatch that mug off by the end of the day. Do you hear me? Baby, I don't want nothing on my head when I walk through that door. However, I do have the option, you know, for people who just want that extra security and they don't want to have to use glue all the time. I do have the adjustable straps. Now, they fit like a bra strap. It's easy to apply. You just hook it like so, and then it's connected to your wig so that you can, you know, easily put it on and have that, you know, that secureness. So that's an option for, you know, some people who want to go glueless. For me, I'll be using, like I said, a little bit of the Ghost Bond glue, and I'm going to leave my full cap on just so I can have that extra security. Really quick, what's the difference between a custom wig versus a store-bought wig? Okay, the difference is easy. It's the quality of the hair. It's the quality of the hair, the quality of the hair. The reason why I say it's the quality of the hair is because whoever is your wig maker, if they provide the hair, they make sure that that hair that they're providing is of good quality. At least that's what I do. You can purchase from big name companies. You know, I see one big name company that's all up and down my timeline on Facebook all the time. And I have used their hair before, used their units before. And while they are decent units, the quality of the hair to me isn't that great. So that's the chance that you take when you go with big name wig companies versus going to your wig maker to make you a wig where you can actually see the quality of the hair, feel the quality of the hair, and determine if that's the hair and the wig maker you want to go with. My wigs are hand stitched as of now. I am working on machine stitched units, not because it holds better, because I sew my units pretty secure and I sew them neatly, so they do last years. Okay, I have a wig that I've had for 3 years. Okay, so the difference between a machine weft wig and a hand stitch wig is just neatness. That's it. You know, if a person is dedicated and they take their time with making the units, you can have a really good quality unit no matter what they've done.